Some of which required 4 men to carry, all by himself, carrying them to different positions, and even though slash Dankula to get 15% off your order. Jack was born on the 25th of July, 1951 in Cleveland.
As a semi-auto, is that primarily like it was manufactured as 2 big stampings that were stamped together. It was a very economic. Namely the M27 link, the same link as the enemy, or rifle box magazines. This is, of course, set up for the Galil magazine, which is 35 rounds.
That is some piss poor drainage.
Are we just a big joke over there? Can I ask? I mean, is America just a big joke to you guys? To anyone on the outside? You're on the outside looking over here, so what?
It's probably still true, but this is very close. The Gorge Run is impressive for the time, but my bike usually explodes right at the end with snipers all around me. Standard for mid-90s first-person shooters, though. Oh, and the horizontal sensitivity is way too high. So really, all the tools are technically...
at face value. I don't wish to get into the debate over what the consequences are of Google shifting its mission from providing information to providing answers.
The first game to use ragdoll physics was apparently Trespasser from '98, but I don't think we saw a second game using it until...
Ooh, that's steep.